Increase drive-thru performance and profits while enhancing the guest and staff experience. Techknow aims to revolutionize the drive-thru experience with their state-of-the-art timer systems and analytics technology. They have been a pioneer in the wireless technology market for over 20 years, being among the first to apply wireless monitoring and timing systems within restaurants to better serve customers. Today, the drive-thru experience has changed in big ways, but one key regard remains the same. Speed, efficiency, and accuracy are everything when it comes to optimizing revenue. Techknow's drive-thru timing solution combines the latest cameras, wireless systems, and ultrasonic sensors with a smart dashboard interface. Featuring unparalleled hardware options and configurations, Techknow can help any drive-thru operation boost performance, gain valuable time and money-saving insights, and engage staff with leaderboard-driven competitions across locations. Techknow's camera software allows your restaurant to easily monitor every inch of the drive-thru. The camera itself offers vehicle detection and can track vehicles throughout the entire customer journey. This includes the ability to monitor and measure key metrics like the number of drive-offs, average wait times, and other valuable restaurant performance data danger zones to help improve performance. Techknow's unique combined dashboard features a space-saving design and provides a dynamic visual tool for your teams. The all-in-one interface provides snapshots of relevant metrics in seconds, along with easy access to vital performance stats and leaderboard tools. The leaderboard is a great way to encourage healthy competition among staff and gamify excellence in operations. Animated stats keep everyone up to speed in near real time, with hourly winners celebrated on screen. Track vital performance metrics like OEPE and cars per hour while keeping teams engaged, motivated, and connected in purpose. With the latest camera and sensor tech, easy to install hardware and software, robust analytics, a clean, consolidated user experience, and options for ongoing maintenance and consultation, Techknow's drive-thru timer system and analytics technology can be a big lever for shaping your digital drive-thru future. Invest in Techknow today to see how it can enhance your team.